Hey guys, E-HeroJavy here. So today we're doing a 3-way Pokemon Ball challenge. So I'm here with my sister-in-law and my wife, and we're each going to pick a Pokeball and see who gets the best. So the first one to pick will be my sister-in-law. Which one do you want?
I want to go for this one.
So she's going to get that one, and then my wife. Amanda, which one do you want? Do you want the red one or the blue one? You take blue?
Yeah.
Okay, so she's picking the blue one. Alright, we're going to open up all three and see which one we get. I'm going to go with Equi Evolution first. Alright, so what's the trick? I think it's 3, right? And then 4. 4. She said 4, so let's see. We got Beedrill, Poliwhirl. Oops, they're backwards. Sorry, guys. Charizard Spirit Link, Charmeleon, Magikarp, Energy, Diary, Tangle, Rattata, Poly. Well, oh no, Poliwag. It is 3. For Equi Evolution, it's 3. I think my rare was that Beedrill. Alright, so far not so good. Let's go ahead and open up the next one. Sun and Moon Base. Alright, so this one's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we have Fire Energy. Yeah, so this one we did it right. Ooh, a double colorless energy. That one's nice. Chinchou, a Psyduck, and a Stoutland. I don't know which one. So that's our. I haven't gotten anything good. So let's see. Alright. Oh, okay. So this is the white one. We're gonna get something good. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there we go. Lightning Energy. Ooh, that's a nice artwork right there. This is, who is this? Heatmore. That's a good artwork. Oh wow, back to back. Cutie Fly, Magikarp, another one, Lowland, Wender, a Rivia, and a holographic Dancy. So it's a rare, not the one we wanted, but it's something. So we're gonna put all that to the side. And so these are my pulls. I'm gonna put these in sleeves, and then we're gonna compare it at the end.
Alright, here I go. Let's see if I could do better than Javier. Alright, so there's my coin.
What'd you get?
See what it is.
Oh, it's I don't know what that is, but it's pretty cool. I think we have one of these already.
Here are my packs. Alright, start with the first one. Alright, we got
A Steel.
the Still Energy.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
Alright, next one.
Oh! A Pidgeot EX. You did the card thing wrong.
Yeah, I did.
But you put it in the front. Oh wow, look at that.
Trainer.
And a Beedrill.
Beedrill. A reverse hollow Beedrill.
Yeah. Yeah,
Still.
And I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
I like this. I like this one though. Look at that. It has like a fire background. Maybe you guys can see that. That's pretty cool.
But this one's way better.
Alright, so she got a Pidgeot EX. I got that rare. So far, I want to say Sarah's in the lead. So now it's my wife's turn. Let's see what she can get.
Okay, so I don't know what kind of Pokeball this is, but it looks really cool. So
Let's see. Oh, cool. I don't know who this guy is, but he's red and shiny. I like it.
Oh, it's sort of similar.
Okay, cool. Alright. So how do you do this? I forgot. You put what card on the
4.
the fourth one?
You count 4 and then put them in the front. Yeah, so
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so there's my energy. Snuggle. Alright, and that's what I got. It's a Nololan mug, and I don't know what that guy is, but he looks cool. Awesome. So 1, 2, 3 for this one?
I think so.
Alright. Oh, and it's a Poliwhirl. Cool. Trainer card. Onyx, my favorite. And a shiny Weedle. And I like that one. Cool. I guess this is my last chance to beat you guys, huh? One is 3 or 4?
4.
3, 4. There's my energy. That's like my second cutie fly. Nice, and that's what I got. Alright.
Alright, so it looks like this was what I pulled. My rare. So I pulled this one. My wife pulled that one. And my sister-in-law pulled that one. So my sister-in-law wins this one for this round. Really good. Pidgeot EX. We each got a rare. Not good enough to beat that EX. So she gets this round. But don't forget to subscribe, like this video for future rounds. Until next time.